Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to blur a shape in Word using soft effect, transparency, glow, and artistic formatting tools. This is perfect for creating modern designs, stylish presentation, thumbnail, posters, and professional documents graphics. If you want to shapes to look soft, faded, or visual smooth, this tutorial will help you create the easiest effect easily. So let's get started. At first I go down of my document. This is assignment for my college and I want to make a shape blur. Go to the insert menu first, I then click the shape. Now I am select the oval shape, then draw the shape and go to the format menu. You can change the color. Now I am change this color and click the outline option and make no outline. Now I want to make a blur, but here not available the directly blur option. I make the blur to another way. Go to the shape effect, click the soft edge and make here. Now you can see the shape is like a blur. Now I am insert the another shape of ellipse and make the same color and make no outline. We can see here a shape and here a shape. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.